So today's truck is a 2006 International 9900 heavy hauler with a 5 1/4 Cummins, 18-speed manual, and 882,000 kilometers. You see it's 14.6 front, 20K pusher, and 46,000 air ride. Double frame, 4-way locks. Frame's been sandblasted, painted. Aluminum wheels. You can see it's got the tank for the wet line. Good looking truck. 244-inch wheelbase. See the dual exhaust. There's the controls for the wet line. It's got most of the gauges. Not quite the Eagle interior, but it's nice and clean. Sliding fifth wheel. Big red ISX. And there you go. Good looking heavy haul truck.